In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Adobe Express. If you're repurposing a design for a different platform or preparing a layout for print, adjusting the page size is a simple way to keep your work looking sharp and on-brand across formats. Start by opening your project in the editor and look to the top toolbar. Click Resize. Depending on your version or layout, you might see it labeled as page size or canvas size. They point to the same place, the controls for changing your page dimensions. Once you open that panel, you'll see options that make resizing straightforward and predictable. You can choose from preset sizes or switch to a custom size. Presets are perfect for common needs like an Instagram post, a Facebook cover, or an A4 page. These save time because they use the exact dimensions recommended for those platforms or print formats, so your design aligns with the intended space without guesswork. If you're aiming for a specific layout that isn't listed, select Custom Size to set it precisely. When you choose Custom Size, enter your width and height, and pick the unit that matches your purpose. Pixels are best for digital and social media graphics, where screen display is the priority. Inches or centimeters are better for print or when you need a physical measurement. A quick rule of thumb: use pixels for online graphics and inches or centimeters for documents or anything you expect to hold in your hands. Make sure the proportions you enter reflect the shape you want. Wider sizes suit landscape designs, taller sizes suit portrait layouts. Once your size is set, click Resize to apply it. Adobe Express will adjust the canvas and automatically keep your design centered or scale it to fit the new dimensions. This smart behavior helps preserve your composition as you move between sizes. If the new size has a very different shape from the original, you might notice more space around your content or a tighter fit. That's normal when switching aspect ratios, and it's simply a reflection of the new page shape. That's all it takes. Open Resize, pick a preset or custom size, enter your measurements with the right unit, and click Resize. With these controls, you can quickly adapt your design for different platforms and formats while maintaining a consistent look. Feel free to try a couple of sizes to see which presents your content best, and use presets when you want reliable, platform-ready dimensions.